So now we're going to look at emmet, and emmet is a tool which we can use to help us write HTML more quickly. It's a tool we can use to help us write HTML more quickly. And there's a web page here, emmet.io, and you can watch the demo, a little video. And then the other thing you want to know is that you can go to emmet cheat sheet, and emmet cheat sheet will take you to this page right here, which I already have open. And it'll show you little examples. And so I'll show you how this works, and then we'll come back and look at some of the different formulas you could use to write your code more quickly. I think I already previewed this. So if I want to do an unordered list, and then within that I want to have list items, and I want 10 of them or 8 of them or whatever, I just put together this little syntax like that, and I hit tab, and it fills it all out. If I wanted things to be at the same level, like I want to have a header, and then I want I want to have a header, and at the same level I want main, and then at the same level I want a footer, right? So now I've got a header, main, and footer. And then if I wanted to have header and main, and then inside main I want to have an article, and then right next to it I want an aside. I could do like that, right? So same level, bottom level. That's not what I wanted. So I would do this, right? Sometimes it takes some experimentation there. Now we've got this on one level, and then we have this on one level, and inside that, those are sub-levels, and then we have that on one level. Let's try that one. That's what I was looking for right there. So those are the different ways you'll do it. I'm just going to leave in here the UL li times 8 example, and I'll duplicate that. And I did that with a keyboard shortcut in WebStorm, Command D, so I could duplicate things all day long. And whoops, we'll do one more. And then I'm going to comment that out. So that's what we did to get to that. So I'll leave that one here for you. And then to see some of the other emmet shortcuts is you can come in here and you can look at the syntax. And so here we did like, nav, ul, li, and that does that. Or we could do the sibling, div, p, block quote, and then put those all as siblings. You could climb up a level, go down, and then climb up. And so that's another way you could have done it instead of using, right, so here div, and then at the same level another div, and then go down and do a span and a span and an emphasis, and then and those are inside a paragraph, right? Div, paragraph, and then inside the paragraph we've got those, and then come up from the paragraph and do a block quote. So that's climbing up. So that's another way you could have done it without the parentheses. Here's the UL li example, and then here we have item numbering. So this is totally helpful. And so UL, and then we want 5 LIs, so we're getting 5 LIs. But we're going to have a class, and so that's how you do a class, and we'll learn about that with CSS soon. So class, and we want to just number them, and so we could do a $sign. You could do multiple dollars, and it'll give you the 001, right? If I did $3, it'd give me 001. If I did 2, it'd be 01. You could do things like this, right, where you have an attribute and a value. So h1 title, item 1, and that's like in here. And then you could have like content between, the H. So H is right here and right here, right there. I'm again trying to see if I can select multiple. Right here, no. Right here, no. All right. And then the header, right? That gets put there. Header 1, 2, 3, and the dollars numbering. So it's not that hard to wrap your head around. Here you see the triple dollars and 011, 002, or 001, 002. Right, is how it gives that. So that's emmet, and you can come in, just sort of take a look at these IDs and classes we'll learn about with CSS, and it's really useful. So it's good to know about, and something you absolutely have to be aware of. And was there anything else I wanted to say about all that? I guess that's it. That's a pretty short video, but yeah, there you go. That's emmet.